extra time.
What was important was to focus back on the game, and I'm really glad that the BCCI took a very mature call with cricket, along with Cricket Australia, to just issue a joint statement that cricket needs to move on, and we have moved on from that, whatever happened in Bangalore, and that's, I think, important, because the focus obviously has to be on the game, and I thought we really made a fantastic comeback after losing the first test, and being especially on day 2, day 3 they were 87 runs ahead, so to come back from there and win a test match was very rewarding. यहाँ पे रांची में बिना MS के शायद रांची लोगों को अलग सा दिखेगा, तो मैं यही कोशिश करूँगा कि, या उम्मीद करूँगा कि MS कभी आए टेस्ट मैच के टाइम। मुझे पता है कि वो झारखंड खेलने विजय हजारे वो नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट के लिए गए हैं, लेकिन यही उम्मीद करेंगे कि वो कभी टेस्ट मैच के पाँच दिन में कभी आएंगे, तो ज़रूर अलग होगा, लेकिन इंडियन टीम खेल रहा है, तो मुझे यही उम्मीद है कि रांची के लोग और झारखंड के लोग आके सपोर्ट करेंगे। बेंगलोर टेस्ट मैच में अगर आप देखें तो फिर राहुल का दोनों इनिंग में बैटिंग, और पुजारा और अजिंक्य का जब बहुत सारे प्रेशर थे हमारे टीम के ऊपर, वो पार्टनरशिप इस सीरीज़ में अगर आप देखें तो एक सेशन बिना विकेट के नहीं गए, तो एक सेशन हम लोग बिना विकेट के और 90 रन से ज़्यादा रन उस सेशन में किए हम लोग बेंगलोर में। वो आई थिंक वाज अ डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स bowling performances are something that you enjoy, and it's wonderful to see the spinners come on that well, and of course when a fast bowler runs in and gets you wickets in Indian conditions, that gives you a lot more satisfaction. I think you don't want to curb any natural instincts of the players, as long as they go out there and then do what is expected of them. There's absolutely no issues with that, and I don't think we need to read too much into that aggression or body language or whatever you say. But yes, every player has his own way of having a game face, and that's what you want. You want every player. It's an international sport, and you want everyone to go out there and then show what they are capable of. And this is a very important series. It's 1-1, and so obviously both teams will come hard in this game.